Hello everybody. Hey, I want to introduce the new Signature Series Turbo CQC7 with a Magnacut blade. So what is different about the Turbo CQC7? Well, let's find out. I took a CQC7 blade and put it in a brand new handle and called it a Turbo 7. Now, why is it called a Turbo 7? Because when I changed this handle up, I put a recurve butt in it, like a pistol grip. It's got our signature wave thumb ramp on it. It's a chisel-ground blade. It's an exact CQC7 blade, the same that goes in our regular 7s. But by doing this, I gave this thing a very secure grip. When you put your hand in here, it comes down and hits here at this little recurve. Deep cut finger choil, another Emerson signature feature. You put it into your hand and you have a tremendously secure grip on this knife. I'm very, very happy with it. And since it is a Signature Series knife, let's do it. And there you have it. The Turbo 7, the latest Signature Series knife from Emerson Knives.